It's actually pretty good. Just 1 second. Let's just put the light on. This is the rooms. Let's go through the toilet. Sink. Pretty good. Nice, clean. Oh! That's interesting. We haven't seen that before. That's gonna be nice. They got some chocolate coins for the kids. And they actually have teddy bears this time. That's awesome. Ah, this is so cute. And this is the pull-out bed, which you can pull out and makes a double bed. And that's pretty much the room. And it's lovely and it's clean. Now I'm gonna do a test because I asked for a deep clean. Just a bit dust, but can't do anything about that. But otherwise, as you can see, pretty clean, not bad. And the view outside. And this is the White Earp building we're staying at. That's right next to the reception and Starbucks, which is awesome. I don't know if you can see the Starbucks right there. Well, that was the room. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's pretty much everything. Hey everyone, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys till next time. Bye.